Hey guys, we received this Poetic Revolution case for Google Pixel 8a 5G phone. It's a drop tested case with a full body rugged shockproof protective cover case with a kickstand. So there are two options like with a built-in screen protector or without the screen protector. So this option, this insert is without the screen protector that you can use. So I will just show one thing in the thing, and this one is the with the screen protector. So you can also see like itself that how this fits with the screen protector inside. You have to just take out this insert and you can just choose the insert whatever you want. So this one is also a fingerprint one and a clear screen protector. This one is the case with the rugged case and also a kickstand in the back. The screen protector accessory is like all the cleaning cloth and the microfiber cloth, and this is how you fit in the insert. Once this insert is done, you can just use the phone. It can be used for the watching your videos or anything. So if you want to use it with the screen protector one, just change the insert and this is good to go. All the cutouts and everything is safe. Corners are protective for the phone and is really a nice case with the different options. So like this insert have a screen protector and the fingerprint sensor thing inside, so you can just use it the way you want. So basically just use this insert with the phone inside and you're good to go. Very protective case and very helpful with your Google Pixel 8a. So this is a clear screen protector and just use it and clean it the way you want. Just use it in the phone insert and it's the same.